Guys, just wanted to hammer out a quick video as we talk about the power of penny stocks, the OTC market. So people that have been around in this exchange for a long time understand that you can have massive gains, massive potential by, grabbing the right stock. So if you believe in it, there's no dilution, there's a good story behind it, good management, they're active, as we talk about all the time on the channel. I mean, literally preach it, catalyst, volume, find active companies. Those are what's important. Those are what's going to drive price. And as we talked about in the past couple of videos, when we covered the actual physical stocks, is GMZP, and wow, this thing could be something. It could be special. We covered it, and we were grabbing a lot of longs were churning out because remember, this thing went, what did it, 0014, 0013, whatever it was, and then it recently hit today 017 or more. I don't even know what it hit. It just, nobody even knew what happened. It was just bananas. It was just crazy day in OTC, and it was a lot of fun. But that's why I always say, we covered it all last year and all the videos. We say, hey, the power of penny stocks. Retail gets behind something, they can really drive it as much as they want. As a retail driven, as long as everybody isn't being negative, they're being positive. And then you see stuff like this. I mean, look at this. We covered the video. We're like, hey, 50s, 60s, we'll see, Then we hit 52-week highs. We had a nice channel here going, and that just completely erupted today. So, this was 1,000% runner in under a month. Granted, I didn't get it, down that low. I was first I bought 0036. I bought some 40s. There's a lot of churn. We're like, wow, this could be something good. And, as it just channeled through, I mean, everybody was buying the dip. And, it's all because of this company, this guy, Steve Carnes. He says productive calls, this and that. And that's what really got the spark going. He's like, we had, multiple calls with acquisition target. We're on the fast track to getting this done. Then he said, all we need is a no-go list order. Then we're going to have access. And then we had to wait a good, week or two. And then people are just buying the dip. Just absorbing down here in the 60s. And then it's the most power I've seen behind a stock in accumulation at all-time highs. So it's good to see. It's a good thing to kick off into penny stocks in the OTC markets. So everybody should be green. I mean, I'm sure some people grabbed a little bit more up here, but I'm sure they already had some, from the beginning. But then, right this morning, they literally tweeted many great things that come for GMZP around the corner, maybe southern. A lot of positive anticipation in the air, building a great future together. This was, 9:25? This thing just erupted from that. I mean, everybody jumped in. Great day. But what's really cool about that is, we've been waiting for him to get access to upload filings, and that hit after hours today. So tomorrow might even be crazier, as a lot of people are anticipating news to start rolling in for this one. So that's all. Let's keep it simple today. Just want to say, hey, I know we've covered this one, the past couple videos. It's been a beast. It's been awesome. But I'm more excited to see the energy out of everybody else. I mean, positivity is the way to go. Happy for all my friends, people in the stock, shareholders, and so forth. So far, we'll see what it has left in the tank. But, really excited about that one. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Love you all, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.